Hello guys, welcome to Just Achi channel. Thank you guys so much for your support. I do appreciate all of you guys. In today's video, we want to plant some veggies that we brought. We're gonna use this planter to plant it, but we have to remove the soil first to move it in a different place. So here we did it already and we move it close to the fence. And these are the herbs that we have that we're gonna plant them, and some tomatoes. That one right there. So my partner is helping me planting it. So we put the soil back, and of course we added some manure in it, and then we plant them. Then we can water them and leave them, and again tomorrow morning we have to water them frequent because these days it's really hot outside. So this is the time we're watering. So they all look good. I think the water is giving them some good refresh. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this video a like and share guys. Alright, I do appreciate all of you guys. For my returning subscribers, may God bless you guys so much. I do appreciate all of you guys. And for those who are new here, if you can subscribe. This is Just Achi from Canada. We have our little garden here. This is the garden bed that we bought, I think 3 years ago. It has been helping us a lot getting some veggies here. So this one is some veggies that I planted. So they grow, so we have to transplant them. That's what we're gonna do guys. Alright, don't forget to subscribe guys. Oh, train is coming guys. We are just living along the railway here. It's a busy place. The train passes here every single day. Noise, noise, noise. And it's shaking a lot also. Sometimes it shakes the ground a lot. So sometimes during like hot season, sometimes you find crack even from the shaking at all on the ground. It's really disturbing sometimes. But we have no option because we live along here. So the train just keeps passing every single day, even at night. It's crazy. This particular here today is moving so slowly. Normally they go so fast, but sometimes they are really long, very long. But this one here looks so slow today. Alright guys, you can see our garden, the other garden on the ground behind there. That one actually I dug it I think 2 to 3 days ago I think. So I wanted to plant some corn there. The corn I first soak it in the water, and we covered them and left them for like 3 days. So they are grown already. They actually rooted already. So we're gonna transplant them also in the garden direct. You remember guys, if you see my previous video, that part of the garden actually we didn't plant it last year. I think 2 years back. We actually didn't dig that part. So it was so bushy. So this year I tried to dig it, and I want to plant the corn there, and maybe potatoes and some veggies as well. It's a big place, so we're gonna get quite some veggies there. I love gardening guys. I love gardening. It gives me that feeling of nature and beautiful, and also eating healthy. It's very important. Alright guys, the train is still going, and it's going so slowly. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to Just Achi guys, and comment in the comment section what do you think about this video, and so that I can check you guys also out. Alright, All right, guys. Bye bye.